How the food you eat affects your brain. Every bite you take is a message to your brain. The food you eat doesn't just fuel your body, it shapes your thoughts, memories, mood, focus, and even your long-term risk of cognitive decline. Welcome to the fascinating world of nutritional neuroscience, where what's on your plate directly influences the most complex organ in your body. Today, we're diving deep into how diet impacts your brain, from the cellular level to lifelong brain health. Section 1. Your brain's incredible appetite. Your brain is a metabolic powerhouse. Despite making up only about 2% of your body weight, it consumes roughly 20% of your daily energy. It never sleeps, constantly firing neurons, building connections, and clearing waste. To do this, it relies on a steady supply of nutrients from the foods you eat. The brain is about 60% fat, so healthy fats are essential for cell membranes and signaling. It also needs proteins for neurotransmitters, the chemical messengers like dopamine and serotonin that regulate mood, motivation, and pleasure. Vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants protect it from oxidative stress and inflammation, while glucose provides quick energy. But not all sources are equal. Section 2. The good, brain-boosting foods. Let's start with the heroes. Omega-3 fatty acids, particularly DHA, are superstar nutrients for the brain. Found abundantly in fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel, these healthy fats build brain cell membranes, reduce inflammation, improve blood flow, and support learning and memory. Studies show they can help protect against cognitive decline. Plant sources like walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds offer ALA, which your body partially converts. Antioxidant-rich foods are your brain's defense squad. Berries, especially blueberries, are packed with flavonoids that enhance memory, concentration, and learning by fighting free radicals and improving communication between brain cells. Leafy greens like spinach and kale deliver vitamin K, folate, and lutein, which are linked to slower cognitive aging. Nuts and seeds provide vitamin E, another powerful antioxidant that shields brain cells. Don't forget eggs for choline, a precursor to acetylcholine, vital for memory and learning. Dark chocolate, in moderation, and coffee offer caffeine and antioxidants that boost alertness and may support long-term brain health. Olive oil, avocados, and whole grains round out a brain-friendly plate. Section 3. The bad. How unhealthy foods harm the brain. On the flip side, certain foods can sabotage your brain. Diets high in refined sugars, saturated fats, and ultra-processed foods trigger inflammation, oxidative stress, and impaired blood flow. Excess sugar can lead to blood sugar spikes and crashes that fog your thinking, impair memory, and over time, contribute to brain shrinkage and higher risks of cognitive decline. High sugar intake is also linked to mood disorders like depression. Ultra-processed foods, think chips, sugary sodas, frozen meals, and fast food, aren't just empty calories. Research shows higher consumption correlates with faster global cognitive decline and executive function problems. They promote chronic inflammation, disrupt metabolism, and may accelerate brain aging. Even short-term binges on high-fat, high-sugar diets can harm cognition. Section 4. The gut-brain axis, your second brain. One of the most exciting discoveries is the gut-brain axis. Your gut houses trillions of microbes, the microbiome, that communicate bidirectionally with your brain via nerves, hormones, and immune signals. A healthy, diverse microbiome produces neurotransmitters like serotonin, mostly made in the gut, and short-chain fatty acids that support brain health. Fiber-rich foods, fermented foods, yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and a variety of plants feed good bacteria. A poor diet starves them, leading to inflammation that can reach the brain and affect mood, anxiety, and cognition. The Mediterranean and Mind diets, rich in plants, fish, nuts, berries, and olive oil, stand out for supporting both gut and brain health, potentially reducing Alzheimer's risk. Section 5. Across the lifespan. The impact changes with age. In early childhood, nutrition builds brain structure and connections. poor diets can hinder development and learning. In adulthood, consistent healthy eating maintains focus, mood stability, and resilience to stress. As we age, nutrient-dense foods help preserve memory and slow decline. Section 6. Practical tips and conclusion. So, what should you do? Aim for a colorful plate. Plenty of vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Limit ultra-processed items and added sugars. Stay hydrated. Your brain is mostly water. Combine diet with exercise, sleep, and mental stimulation for the best results. Remember, small, consistent changes matter. Swap a sugary snack for berries and nuts. Choose salmon over processed meats. Your brain will thank you with sharper thinking, better mood, and a healthier future. The power is on your fork. Eat thoughtfully. Your mind depends on it.